Hi Fabio, you've been with Arsenal for 9 months now, and in the last 2 or 3 months you're playing more games, more minutes. Are you feeling very comfortable, very settled here now in North London?
I feel comfortable here after a few months. I can say I feel at home here. I feel confident and comfortable, and I'm really enjoying to be here and ready to go forward.
Was it a difficult start for you at the beginning? Because when you arrived and when we were in America you had the injury. Did that?
Fabio Vieira, Arsenal football player, attacking midfielder, speaks here on his dreams this season. As what he wants more is to win the England Premier League EPL title, and of course they have. He says Arsenal has every reason to win this title only because their squad is full of the quality players, and they have always been performing well in these competitions. Of course, they are just also leading the line. They have also every reason to smile and having this trophy this season. As they have a long time for Arsenal to win. They have a long time that Arsenal could not win this title. Of course, this season expects to be one among of the wonderful seasons on the side of Arsenal Football Club. As they have been dreaming on how they can just win the title. In fact, Fabio Vieira says, and he speaks these words from the cardinal point of his heart, as it's just a part and a parcel of each dream. As of course, it also makes sense, fantastic, and it attracts in one way or another. And it's just a plan that everybody wants to say, and of course, it includes so many things in football. Despite they have been passing through different ways, as he's